like and subscribe. Donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one for the US. This is from Choi. And this is Sriracha chicken flavor. I gotta say, I really like the Choi chicken flavor. I know I love that. That one is probably, I'd honestly say, one of my top 2 or 3. Oh, I cut my finger. Top 2 or 3 favorite chicken varieties I've ever had. They're really good. So yeah, I'm adding in the flavor packet-based deal thing. Here, let's get it just like that. My God, folks, what a day thus far. How long do we do this again? 3 to 4. We'll do 3.5. I think that's what I did yesterday. But I will give you more information on what's going on today once I add the liquid into the liquid reservation chamber deal thing here. There's the line. Let's see if we can do this without spilling out the back, because I don't have ever any good luck with such things. And there we go. Say, I've done it. Okay. 3.5 minutes. So today is my daughter Miriam's 8th birthday. And all morning I've been running, let's see. I went to the grocery store and got balloons ballooned up, as you can see in the background. There's the balloons in question. Last night we put up a banner, and then I went to the store again. It's like raining, breezy, cold, gross. So I had to bring balloons home in that. It went okay. They put them in a bag. They were really nice there too. And then came home for a few and chilled, and then I went back out. And I went to the thrift store because I wanted to get my son Miles this weird Casio calculator diary weird thing, and I got it. They still had it after like a week. It doesn't work. Our batteries are fine, so it's like, bummer. Now I gotta go try to return it, and then they'll like take like a Post-it note and then sign it and then write how much store credit I have. It's an interesting way of doing things, but whatever. And then after that, I went to the store. She wants to have this, they make that Velveeta shells and cheese. Well, they have 2 new varieties. They've got a buffalo wing flavor. That sounds filthy. But they've got a pizza flavor. So she's 8. She's all over that. And got her flowers. We were like thinking, should we get her some flowers? So they, I go in there, you know, they're like, uh-oh. Because they knew I was back, because they're the same place where they do the balloons. They're like, did they fly away? Did something bad happen? I'm like, no. I made it home. And at least now it's not raining, but I'm, you know, totally freaking colorblind. I'm not only colorblind, I'm like color deaf, I swear. So, if that makes sense. I really, really have a hard time telling one color from another, which really is irritating, and it sucks. But anyways, I need something. I need some flowers. I need pink and I need purple. And the lady's like, okay. So she like looks around and gets hot pink roses, and then she's like, and then we've got like some stuff, filler stuff that's purple. So I went around, grabbed the other stuff, came back, and they had put together this really, really nice bouquet. So, and now I'm back, and we just put up, there's like a, I don't know if you can see it right there, but there's a balloon on the wall. They have like this gooey balloon tape, and that's on the wall. And then we're going to put another one up. And then we got another acting up, and yeah, so yeah, it's her birthday today. My little girl's turning 8, and my little boy is exceedingly jealous and acting out and really being quite the jerk in the last couple days. But the whole point was, it's just like, yeah, I know you wish it was your birthday, but it's her day, so be nice. And then 30 seconds later, he's back to being a little jerk. So I don't know. It sucks, but I get it. Jealousy of the child, but yeah. But yeah, I tried to get him that calculator thing because he's really into calculators and not like super duper into math, but he's into calculators. Like me, I never passed high school algebra. However, I really, really like calculators. I've got a collection of like super vintage calculators. No fooling. Like you got to plug them into the wall. They don't print. They're just calculators. I've got ones from like the late 70s that are like that big. No fooling. So if you're into calculators, I think I did a video showing all my rad vintage calculators. They used to be everywhere. I used to have no problem finding them. Now they're like, I haven't seen a cool vintage calc in a long time. But anyways, let's see how this is. And here is our cup of Noodle. It smells good. It smells chickeny. I haven't eaten anything today. I have to like fill up my vitamins. I haven't even taken my vitamins today. So all I've had since I woke up around 7 was was it 7? Yeah, I guess it was. Was an energy drink, and that's it. So I'm feeling kind of weird right now. I'll start sounding like RFK Jr. any minute. Guy's old, and it's funny, and he's called Junior. Anyways, noodles. Definitely has that tanginess as the original flavor one did. There's our broth. Definitely has heat too. It's not a lot. It's not like, whoa, this is so different from the other one that I did like yesterday. Or I guess for you it wouldn't have been yesterday. For me it was. I've been doing there are 3 reviews a day right now. So not bad though. I mean, it almost seems like it's spicier. That might just have to do with the fact that I haven't had anything else to eat. The spiciness thing is really, really strange, but I'm gonna slap an egg on it. I just stood up and I smell this smell, and it doesn't smell good. I don't know what it is. I know it's not me. I hope it's not me. I did shower this morning. Definitely not the noodles, no. Yeah, oh, and I got eggs, and I made these eggs today too. So, busy, 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 busy. I like busy though. Busy is good. As our old person, well, she's not old, but you know what I mean. Hold on, let me grab some. We're gonna try this chili crisp. This is the Barnacle Foods kelp chili crisp. And I've been meaning to get around to try it, and I feel like doing it right now. Whoa. One thing about Chili Crisp is when you open it, don't be all willy-nilly. Do you know what I mean by that? Don't be like, you gotta be careful, man. Because you know what's in there? It's like got tons and tons of oil on the top. Begging to be a big mess. Scallion. And this is a kelp chili crisp. Interesting. These are chili crisp. Oh, there's some sweetness in there too. You might think, oh, that's going to taste really fishy. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It has that tinge of the sea, which I enjoy. Yeah. Not bad. So yeah, there we go. I'm still trying to get into that. I've got like these really neat varieties, a lot of them from Singapore. I really need to get into that new enormous Asian grocery nearby so I can get some supplies to do these things justice. But here we go. Okay, thank you for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this. This came out of an Akama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, that's MIAU boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Nissin Donbei Hakata Kitsune Udon. But what's weird about it is, look, right there. See that number 7? This sucker has to steep for 7 minutes, and I've never seen anything out of Japan that requires that long of steeping. So, yeah. So I guess we'll hang out. This has been on to The Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Oops.